Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 Roots and Cube. These are numbers 1 to 10. This is cube also. I write written here. Then cube of 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. Cube of 5 is 125. 6, 216, 7, 343, 8, 512, 9, 729, 10,000. These numbers 1, 80, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 and 1000 are cube of these numbers, the 1 to 10. Then what is a cube? A number is multiply itself 3 times a number. For example, here 2 multiply itself by how many times? 3 times. Then 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 80. 8 is the cube of 2. And 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. 64 is the cube of 4. Then this 81, 80, 27, 64 are this type of numbers are known as cube. Then a number is given. For example, 343 is given. Then we factorize this number. We can write 343 divided by which number? 7. Then we can write 7 into 7 into 7. This 343, we write 7 into 7 into 7. This 7 are which type of number? 7 is a prime numbers. Then this number, the given number, we prime factorize here. After the prime factorization, each factors appears how many times? Appears 3 times. Each factors appears 3 times. Therefore, we can say 343 is a perfect cube. After a number is given. Then after the factorization, prime factorization, each factors appears. Each factors appears how many times? 3 times. Then we can say that number is a perfect cube. Then after the factorization, each numbers not appears in group of 3. Then that number is not a perfect cube. Do you understand what is cube? After the factorization, means a number multiply how many times? 3 times. We get its product. That product is a perfect cube or cube of the given number. And this look 64. Here 64 cube of which number? Cube of 4. Then how to check the given number is a perfect cube? Means the given number after the factorization, the given numbers prime factorization, each factor appears in group of 3. Then we can say that the number is a perfect cube. Again, take your textbook exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1, take page number 114. Then question number first, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? Then here, look, first question, question number 1, first question, 260. What is the question? After the, which of the following number are not perfect cube? How to find out the given number is a perfect or not perfect cube? The first the given number we divided by prime numbers. Divided prime factorization. But for prime factorization, the given number divided by prime number. Then this 216 divided by which number? This is even number, so we can take the smallest prime number 2. Then how many times? 1 time. Then 0, 8. Then look 2. Then 5, 4. This again divided by 2. How many times? 2, 47 times. 27 again divided by 2. No. So 20 next number, which number? 27 divided by 3. So we can take 3. How many times? 9 times. This 9 is again divided by 3. Then look. Then this 216 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then look, you write its prime factors. Look, this is 2 factors of 2 and factors of 3. The next step we making group of 3. Then this also 3. 2 has 2 and 3 has appears in group of 3, appears in 3 times. So this 216 is a perfect cube or not a perfect cube. Here each factors appears in 3 times. Each factors appears 3 times. Therefore this 216 is a perfect cube. So we can write after 260 each factors appears how many times? Each factor appears 3 times. Then we can therefore 216 is a perfect cube. Here 216 is a perfect cube. The next question look 128. Then next we check. This is here first question 216. 216 is a perfect cube. Next number take second 128. The next second question 128. Then here we check this 128 is a perfect or not perfect cube. Then same as the factorize first. This 128 divided by which prime numbers? 2. How many times? 6. And then again divided by 2. 3, 2. This 13 also again divided by 2. How many times? 1, 6. This again this 16 again divided by 2, 18. 2, 4, 2, 2. Then we can write the factors of 128. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here each factors of the next step we make it group of 3. Listen, each factors appears in group of 3. Then look here, 2 has this 2 is not appears in group of 2. Therefore, is this number 128 is a perfect cube? This number 128 is not a perfect cube. So we can write after factorization, the after factorization of 128, the prime number, which number? Prime number 2. Then the prime number 2 remains after grouping the 2's in triplet. Therefore, 128 is not a perfect cube. This 128 is not a perfect cube. Then what is its first step? The given number first we factorize by prime numbers. Then after factorization we look make it parallel for a group of the each factor making group of 3. Then we look here 2 do not appears in group of 3. So therefore after factorization of 128 the prime number 2 remains after grouping the 2's in triplet. Therefore this number 128 is not a perfect cube. Then how many questions? Then one more question we can do here. 100. This 100 is a perfect cube or not a perfect cube. That's divided by prime numbers. Then look 50. Again divided by 2, 25. Then this number divided by 5. Then we can write it is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. So we can write it here after factorization of listen here. Can you make a group of 2 in then this 2 in group of 3 and 5 also? No. So here after factorization the prime number 2 and 5 remains group of 3. Then we can write it after session of 100. 100 the prime factors 2 and 5 remain. Remain group of 3. Therefore we can write 100 is not a or we can write 2 and 5. Then after factorization of 100, the prime factors 2 and 5, we can write note appear. Note appear. Three. Three times and 5 do not appear 3 times. Then therefore 100 is not a perfect cube. Then next two questions you can find its answer yourself. The next question number 2.